This was a request by Brian the Peaceful Fan A4JEC 2008 Productions, and I hope he enjoys this video, and everyone too. Anyways, this is classic Caillou spills boiling water super extremely grounded.
Man, I'm so bored, what should I do? I know, I should spill boiling water on my dad, because he is always grounding me for no stupid reason. Ha 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 ha. Let's go to his room. Hey Dad.
Ugh, what is it, classic Caillou?
I have a surprise for you.
Really? What's the surprise?
It's this.
Ow, wow, 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 that hurts. Somebody help me. Wow.
That's so funny.
What is going on in here?
Honey, classic Caillou just spilled boiling water on me.
Classic freaking Caillou, how freaking dare you spill boiling water on your dad? You know that's dangerous. That's so freaking it. You are super 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 extremely grounded. Go to your freaking room right now.